Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla croissants at home. First, combine 300 grams of bread flour, 30 grams of sugar, 5 grams of salt, and 5 grams of instant yeast. Gradually add 150 milliliters of ice-cold water, mixing until just combined. Then, gently fold in 125 grams of very cold cubed butter. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. Now let's master lamination. Roll your dough into a rectangle about 20 by 40 centimeters. Place 125 grams of cold butter, flattened into a square, onto 2/3 of the dough. Fold the unbuttered third over the butter, then fold the remaining third over that. This is one single turn. Repeat this process 2 more times, chilling for 30 minutes between each fold. It's time to shape your croissants. Roll the dough to a thickness of about 3 millimeters. Cut the dough into triangles, each with a base of about 8 centimeters. Gently stretch each triangle, then roll it tightly from the wide base towards the point. Place them on a baking sheet. Proof the shaped croissants in a warm, humid environment for 2 to 3 hours until visibly puffy. Finally, let's bake these beauties. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the croissants for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are a beautiful golden brown and wonderfully puffed. For that signature vanilla touch, brush them generously with a warm vanilla bean syrup or a simple vanilla glaze immediately after they come out of the oven. Enjoy your homemade vanilla croissants.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.